हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनीगन। मेरे चैनल ओमनीगन में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो दिस इज द सेकंड ग्रामर मैराथन. टुडे वी विल बी डीलिंग विद आर्टिकल्स एंड डिटरमाइनर्स, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक for your class 10 board exams this year. And as you know, the syllabus has changed now, so there are few important topics that have now been included in the syllabus of English grammar. Okay, so grammar marathon part 2 for SSLC exams 2025, and very important. Okay, and I'm going to make a very clear, simple and very elaborate discussion as short as possible. Okay, so let us learn articles and determiners without any delay. तो सबसे पहले आर्टिकल्स. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव स्टडीड आर्टिकल्स इन योर क्लास 6, 7, 8, राइट? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रिफ्रेश आवर मेमोरी. ओके, हम लोग अपना मेमोरी आज थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेश करेंगे और थोड़े और डिटेल्स के साथ. यू हैव लर्न आर्टिकल्स ए एंड द, बट देयर आर सर्टेन डिटेल्स दैट यू माइट नॉट हैव नोन. ओके, आपको नहीं पता हो सकता है. तो आज हम देखते हैं दो तरीके के आर्टिकल्स होते हैं. देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. वन इज definite article, another is indefinite articles. What are definite article? Definite article is only the. ठीक है, सिर्फ the आपका definite article होता है, which is used to refer to a specific or previously mentioned noun. तो the का इस्तेमाल होता है किसी स्पेसिफिक चीज को रेफर करने के लिए, टू रेफर टू अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक थिंग और अ प्रीवियसली मेंशन्ड नाउन. ठीक है. Indefinite articles are two. One is a, another is an. Okay, a is used before singular nouns starting with a consonant or consonant sound. आपको याद रखना एक चीज, ठीक है? A is used only for a singular noun. Okay, and that noun must start with a consonant or a consonant sound. ठीक है? An is used before singular nouns. एन भी हम लोग सिंगुलर नाउन्स के लिए यूज करते हैं, बट स्टार्टिंग विथ अ वावेल साउंड. जो वावेल या वावेल साउंड हो. ओके, स्टार्टिंग विथ आइदर अ वावेल और अ वावेल साउंड. ठीक है. यू माइट हैव लर्न अबाउट द वर्ड ऑनेस्ट. हियर देयर इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट, but H remains silent. So the spelling goes, I mean the pronunciation goes O-N-E-S-T, honest, right? So because it is O, that is why we use an N. So that is why it says that either it starts with a vowel or a vowel-like sound. ठीक है. कभी कभी क्या होता है, sometimes what happens, and we will be learning that in detail. Sometimes what happens is that there are certain uh, nouns that starts with a vowel, but because it does not have a vowel like sound, that is why, say, university. University, you cannot use an. Why? Because you, university, it is something like you. So this begins with y. That is why we use a university, not an university. And we will be learning this in detail. Okay, so just remember there are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Under definite we have only the, and under indefinite we have a and an. Okay, अब determiners क्या है? Determiners come before a noun to clarify or modify. तो determiners हम लोग यूज करते हैं एक noun से पहले. Why? To clarify or modify it, and they can be divided into the following categories. तो determiners को एक बहुत सारे categories में divide किया जा सकता है. जैसे demonstrative determiners like this, singular and which is near, that singular but it is far, these plural it is near, and those plural but far, this here, okay, which is near you, we use this. And for singular, that is also singular but something that you show which is far from you. These plural बहुत सारा लेकिन जो आपके पास है. Those plural but जो आपके दूर है. Okay, so demonstrative determiners, the first category. Then you have possessive determiners like my, your, his, her, its, are, their, whose. ये सारे हैं possessive determiners that shows possession, जो possession दिखाता है, belonging to you. Okay, belonging to you or belonging to somebody. ये belonging thing जब आता है. Okay, this is my pen, this is your house, this is his mobile. Okay, uh, you know, uh, these books are there. Okay, तो जब possession show करता है, that we call possessive determiners. Okay, then we have third type of determiners is quantifiers. There's a big list of quantifiers. Please learn this list very nicely. Some, any, many, much, few, a few, fewer, several, all, both, each, every, either, neither, none, a lot of, plenty of. These are all quantifiers. Okay, so please learn the list very nicely. Then we have numbers. Numbers comes into again two subtypes: cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. What are cardinal numbers? Like 1, 2, 3. Ordinal numbers: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like that. Okay, then we have the next kind of determiner, which is interrogative. Interrogative, you know already, that ends with a question mark. जो question mark से end होता है, तो which, what, whose, that is used to ask question. So these are interrogative determiners. ठीक है, हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटरमाइनर्स, दैट शोज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, लाइक ईच, एवरी, आइदर, नाइदर. ये सारे जो है, ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटरमाइनर्स है. ऑल दीज आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटरमाइनर्स. ओके, एंड आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग अगेन एंड अगेन टू ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज learn or memorize the determiners, the list of determiners that I'm giving to all of you. Okay, then there are determiners, there are articles which are used as determiners also. Articles we know a and the, but sometimes these are used as determiners also, a and the. Okay, then we have relative determiners like whose, which is used in relative clauses. ठीक है, I will be explaining you with examples, don't worry about that. Okay, मैं आपको examples explain करूंगा, आप बस इसको देखते जाइए, and please make sure that you memorize the list very nicely. ठीक है, देन वी हैव प्री डिटरमाइनर्स विच मॉडिफाइज क्वांटिफायर्स और आर्टिकल्स. तो हम लोगों ने क्वांटिफायर्स देखा है, तो प्री डिटरमाइनर्स का काम क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ प्री डिटरमाइनर्स? इट मॉडिफाइज क्वांटिफायर्स और इट मॉडिफाइज आर्टिकल्स आल्सो, लाइक व्हाट, सच, रादर, क्वाइट. ओके, ऑल दीज आर प्री डिटरमाइनर्स एंड देयर वर्क इज व्हाट? उनका काम क्या होता है? वो क्वांटिफायर और आर्टिकल्स को मॉडिफाई करते हैं. ठीक है, अब लेट्स स्टडी ईच ऑफ दिस थ्रू एग्जांपल्स. अब आर्टिकल्स और डिटरमाइनर्स हम लोग एग्जांपल्स के थ्रू देखेंगे, एंड ऑल द आर्टिकल्स and the types of determiners that we have learned, we are going to learn it through examples. Otherwise the concept will not be clear to you if I do not show you sentences, how these are used in sentences. ठीक है, तो हम लोग देख लेते हैं इस चीज को बहुत ही जल्दी जल्दी, and I have explained very nicely. And let me tell one more thing to all of you. You can download the worksheet from the description box below. You can download the worksheet which is in PDF format. ये PDF format में है. आप worksheet को download कीजिए, practice the exercises that are given in the worksheet, and you can check the answers also. आप आंसर्स चेक कर सकते हैं जो लास्ट पेज ऑफ द वर्कशीट में है. द आंसर्स आर आल्सो गिवन इन द लास्ट पेज ऑफ द worksheet. So please download the PDF. The PDF link is given in the description box, and please practice, and then you can check the answers on your own. Okay, my task is to prepare you fantastically for your upcoming board exams. Okay, so that you score excellent marks. ठीक है, तो हम लोग देखते हैं विदाउट मच डिले. तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं आर्टिकल्स. तो अ यूज होता है फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन and for a consonant sound. So I saw a cat. Cat sees consonant plus it is having a consonant sound also. So I saw a cat sitting on the wall. ठीक है, he is an honest man. मैंने आपको बोला honest का H silent होता है. The spelling is O-N-E-S-T and it is pronounced as O. O is a vowel. We know there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. तो अगर आपको ये vowels दिखे और इनके जैसा sound हो अगर, then only you can use N. If you see these vowels being used, like say for example, honest. Now you might feel there is H. H is not a vowel, right? H is not a, these are vowels, okay? H is not a vowel, no problem. You have a consonant sound because your H is silent. And honest, O. So O. So you have O. That is why N. Did you understand the thing? Okay. Then I saw the same man again today. So I told you the is a definite article, and definite article, what does it do? It mentions any specific thing. Okay, it mentions any specific thing. So what is that specific thing? That I saw the same man again today. So yesterday you saw a man and you saw that same man again today. That means you are specifically talking of the same man. So you use the. So हम लोग जब किसी स्पेसिफिक चीज को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, व्हेन वी पॉइंट आउट एनी पर्टिकुलर और स्पेसिफिक थिंग, वी यूज द एट दैट टाइम. ओके, गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट यू सी, I am a YouTuber. Now here I told you YouTuber, you see. Y. It is a Y plus it pronounces also as you, like that, right? So that is why a YouTuber. Then I told you university. Let me just repeat it once again. Okay. Even before university also we will be using a, not an. This is the mistake that many students make. We know that there is a vowel here. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. We know that there is a vowel here. But let me tell you, this is pronounced not as U. This is pronounced as U. And U begins with Y. So that is why it has a consonant sound. It has the sound of YU. Okay. That is why a university. Remember. But what will you do before umbrella? A. Umbrella. A. It has a sound. So an umbrella. So please concentrate on the sound rather than the alphabet, whether it is Y or O or H. Concentrate on the sound. Okay. So here you can see, you can note down here that use a before words that sound with a, that start with a consonant sound, like a YouTuber, a university. It sounds like you, this one, you, this one, you, and it has Y. That is why okay. So please concentrate on the sound. If the sound is a vowel like sound, then you can use an. I'm just elaborating a little bit. If it is a vowel sound, then you can use an. If it is a consonant sound, then you use a. If it is a consonant sound, then you use a. Okay, you'll remember it. Okay, fantastic. Then we will move on to determiners now. Now, because it is a long list, so I'll just cut short, because you can read these things also. I'll just cut short. Okay, so demonstrative determiners, we have the first list. This book belongs to mind. Okay, this book, that means this book is near to you, plus it is singular also. It is not books, but you see, but those belong to her. So those what, those books belong to her. तो अगर plural हो जाता है तो वो those हो जाएगा, और वो अगर आपसे दूर है तो, if it is far away from you, then it becomes those. Okay, remember I gave the list. Let me not repeat it once again. Near or far, this, that, these, those. Near, far, just remember this, which one is near, which one is far. I have given you the list already. Please check the list under the demonstrative determiners example. Okay, determiners list. Okay, next we have possessive determiners. Now what are possessive determiners? Possessive, I told you, that shows ownership, जो ownership बताता है. Their house is bigger than our house. उनका घर हमारे घर से बड़ा है. तो आप लिस्ट मेमोराइज कीजिए. लेट मी नॉट अगेन गो डिटेल इनटू इट. प्लीज मेमोराइज द लिस्ट. आई हैव गिवन यू द एंटायर लिस्ट इन वन वीडियो. सो आर्टिकल्स और डिटरमाइनर्स एक वीडियो में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा आपका. ओके, तो देयर हाउस, उनका घर, इज बिगर देन आवर हाउस, हमारा घर. इट शोज ओनरशिप, राइट? Then we have quantifiers. Quantifiers, I have given you the full list. You can check out from the list. She bought some apples, but there weren't many. So some and many are examples of quantifiers. So some apples, many. Okay, these are quantifiers. Okay, you can check out the list again. Then we have numbers. Numbers, I told you, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay, cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 3 siblings, brothers and sisters. Okay, I have 3 siblings. And ordinal are what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, like that it goes on. Okay, so today is my first day at school. Okay, so numbers is very easy to understand. Then we have interrogative determiners, nothing much to explain. You have a question mark and which color do you like the most, so you have a question mark, so you use interrogative determiners for this. It will be very easy if interrogative determiners come in the exam, right? Because there will be a question mark at the end, so you can easily use. And you see, these are MCQ forms, so you will be having options also in the exam, right? In your question paper you will be having options also, so you can easily pick the correct option, no problem. Then you have distributive determiners. Distributive, each student must submit their assignment, each, okay, हर student अपना assignment submit करना चाहिए. So distributive, each, every, either, neither, these are distributive determiners. Please check the list again in the distributive determiners list section, okay, in the beginning of the video that I've given. Then the last, then the seventh number is relative determiners. Relative is what? Relative is when you mention something in between, when you relate something with someone. एक चीज के साथ आप दूसरा चीज को जब कनेक्ट करते हैं, रिलेट करते हैं, तो we use what? Let us see the example. The man whose car was stolen is my neighbor. So whose is connecting the man with the car. So the man whose car was stolen is my neighbor. So you are relating whose with this man and the car. ठीक है? The man whom I saw on the market was my friend's father. तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप relate कर रहे हैं, right? So you can easily see, and relative determiners always fall in the middle, not in the beginning or at the end, always in the middle. Okay, और आप देखेंगे कि दो चीजों को कनेक्ट किया जाएगा उस relative determiner से. ठीक है? And predeterminers are, that's such a lovely dress. Predeterminers मैंने क्या कहा था कि किसी नाउन को जब मॉडिफाई किया जाता है, ठीक है ना, किसी नाउन को जब मॉडिफाई किया जाता है, तो देन वी यूज predeterminers. I'll just take you to the example section once again. मैं थोड़ा सा आपको, देखिए, क्वांटिफायर्स, किसी भी नाउन या क्वांटिफायर्स या आर्टिकल को जब मॉडिफाई किया जाता है, तो दैट इज यू नो predeterminers. So you have a list here, please memorize this list. इस लिस्ट को आप अच्छे से मेमोराइज कर लीजिए, बहुत अच्छे से. तो हम लोग फिर से जाएंगे लास्ट सेक्शन में. तो दैट्स सच अ लवली ड्रेस, तो it is a predeterminer. Okay, that's such a lovely dress. Okay, so in very short I have given you the full list of determiners, and I told you that the entire worksheet will be available for download. Please download the worksheet from the uh, description box below and practice the exercises very nicely, and then you can check the answers for yourself. Okay, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do like the video, because your like gives me a lot of motivation. I'm here to prepare all of you in a very brilliant manner so that you score excellent to excellent marks in your exam. Okay, and subscribe to the channel, and please share the videos with your friends. Tell them to join the classes so that they get maximum benefit, and all of us, we together, we crack the SSLC class 10 board exams with brilliant marks. Okay, you and me both. Okay, so thank you so much, and with love from Omnigan, all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.